Time now for a check of your north central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic Thursday. It was a beautiful summer day out there today. And boy, you notice as we take a look outside our weather window from this afternoon. By the way, this is our Wenatchee Heights Sky-Fi Tower camera. Much better air quality today than yesterday, where we were pretty much all in the moderate range or approaching that. Today, pretty much across the board in north central Washington, air quality was good today. A few clouds out there and some warm temperatures once again. But for the first time in a long time, we have thunderstorms, actual precipitation in our forecast. It's in the forecast for both Friday and Saturday. That's really central and eastern Washington into Idaho. The bad news, we could see lightning with these thunderstorms, some brief heavy downpours of rain, some gusty outflows of wind, and maybe even some small hail. So if you're outside in the afternoon, both Friday and Saturday, keep your eye on the sky. 93 our unofficial high temperature today, a little bit above where we should be at 89 for this time of year. 104 our record high temperature, and that was set in 1971. Second day in a row, 66 our overnight low, 3 degrees above our normal of 63. 53 is our record low temperature, and that was set in 1992. Sun came up at 5:49 this morning and sets for us tonight at 8:23. For your Friday temperatures, finally Friday, it's going to be a lot like today. So Wednesday, today, and tomorrow, almost carbon copies of each other. 94s for Moses Lake, Ephrata, and Quincy. 92 down in Ellensburg, and then 93s from Wenatchee through Eniat into Chelan. A little bit warmer as normal up in the Omak area with the Omak Stampede happening this weekend. Should be beautiful weather for that. 88 in Lake Wenatchee and 91 the high temperature tomorrow if you're headed up to Leavenworth. All right, tonight we can expect mostly clear skies. There is that big anchoring high. I know it looks like the same map almost every day, doesn't it? And here's our ridge way up into British Columbia with that deep trough to our east, and that will be significant as we get into Friday. It's going to bring us a few clouds, partly cloudy conditions. There is an area of low pressure right here as well, and there is that 20% chance for thunderstorm activity. Certainly going to be warm enough with highs tomorrow in the low to mid 90s. For Saturday, once again, we have that trough to our east and that little rotation in northwest Washington, which could kick off some thunderstorm activity on Saturday. It's going to be widely scattered, so we will see just a few storms here and there as we make our way into eastern Washington. And then on Sunday, things quiet down. Our ridge broadens over into western Montana. There still will be some thunderstorm activity in southern British Columbia and into Alberta, but we should have a nice Sunday with high temperatures right around 90 degrees. For Monday, kicking off our next work week, our airflow really shifts to the northwest, and that will cool us down a little bit. Going to kick up some winds too on Monday. High temperatures in the upper 80s for Monday, so we will be back to about normal. For Tuesday then, mostly sunny again. Some wind right here in central Washington, and we're going to cool down even more on Tuesday with high temperatures in the mid 80s. And I know a lot of you out there are saying, thank goodness for that. You're ready for that cooler air. For Wednesday, mostly sunny. Still might be a little breezy out there. Going to be mild on Wednesday with highs again in those mid 80s. All right, your 7-day forecast, and it's going to be 70 overnight tonight, 93 tomorrow, 92 Saturday. But remember, a 20% chance for thunderstorms both days. If you're outside, just keep an eye out for things. 91 and sunny as we finish our weekend on Sunday, and then partly cloudy with some breezy weather for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Cooler too. 88 Monday, mid 80s for your high temperatures on Tuesday and Wednesday. And that's a look at your north central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.